The Purnia seat goes to the RJD as part of the seat sharing arrangement with the Congress. Pappu Yadav of the Congress party has made a massive statement. He says the Congress will win in Purnia and only the Congress flag will fly high here. Now remember, he's come out with these strong statements. The last so many days he continues to say that no matter what, he will definitely be contesting from Purnia. He's been staking claim and now he's come out to reiterate the same, despite the fact that as part of seat sharing talks, the RJD has been given the constituency of Purnia. Let's listen into him once again.
में कांग्रेस का झंडा की जीत होगी। कांग्रेस की झंडा ही पूर्णिया में रहेगी और कांग्रेस की झंडा शांत हो जाइए प्लीज स्थापित होगी। मेरे जीवन के मरने जीने का एक ही संकल्प है, 5 साल के अंदर बिहार में 40 के 40 सीट कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व में खड़ा होगा।
Let me quickly go across to Niyamika joining us with more details. Niyamika, you know, the seat sharing talks were almost stuck on Pappu Yadav's claims the last so many days. But finally, as part of the seat sharing deal, we do see the RJD staking claim to Purnia. But here's Pappu Yadav who goes on to say that Purnia mein to sirf Congress ka jhanda hi lehrayega. What do we make of this? Is this also going to be another friendly contest as is being seen in other states wherein the opposition is coming together to take on the central government, rather the NDA?
Well, during the talks between the Congress and the RJD regarding the seat sharing formula in Bihar, RJD had made it very clear that they want to contest on the Purnia seat. On the other side, it was the Congress party which was claiming that it should be Pappu Yadav who needs to be contesting in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections from the Purnia seat, and that's the reason why recently we have seen that how Pappu Yadav has merged his party with the Congress and he has been continuously saying that he wants to contest from the Purnia seat, and that's the reason why even Congress party has tried his best to get this seat during the discussions regarding the seat sharing formula. But indeed it is a settlement which is being done by the Congress and the RJD regarding the seat sharing between the two parties, because not just Purnia but even Aurangabad, there was a rift between both the parties because they both were staking claim over Aurangabad as Purnia, Aurangabad, Karakat, even Katihar. These were the seats where the Congress party was taking claim by saying that it belongs to the Congress. We have been contesting on these seats, and that's the reason why they were continuously demanding that these seats should be given to the Congress party itself, because these are the seats where the Congress party is quite strong. They have winnability factor, and that's the reason why they were taking claim over all of these seats. But the RJD was quite adamant over it, and that's the reason why now a surrender is being done on the part of the Congress party, because
has the Congress surrendered to the other constituents of the alliance of the Gathbandhan in Bihar? That's the big question. We'll talk about in detail why we say that, because it's not just limited to the seat of Purnia. There are other seats like you also highlighted for us. We're going to put out that graphic in just a bit, but let's once again listen into Pappu Yadav, who's merged his party with the Congress party. He had been staking claim to Purnia for the longest time. Once again has come out to say, despite that seat being given to the RJD, that झंडा तो यहाँ सिर्फ कांग्रेस का लहराएगा.
में कांग्रेस का झंडा की जीत होगी। कांग्रेस की झंडा ही पूर्णिया में रहेगी और कांग्रेस की झंडा शांत हो जाइए प्लीज स्थापित होगी। मेरे जीवन के मरने जीने का एक ही संकल्प है, 5 साल के अंदर बिहार में 40 के 40 सीट कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व में खड़ा होगा।
Now back to the question of why we say the Congress may just have surrendered to the demands that it was putting out, which were perhaps leading to why we were not hearing from the alliance on what the seat sharing formula is going to be. Purnia, like I said, remains the biggest sticking point. Pappu Yadav said will die but will not leave Purnia, and despite the seat being given to the RJD, he continues to maintain that झंडा तो यहाँ सिर्फ कांग्रेस का लहराएगा. Karakat, like my colleague just highlighted, has been given to the CPIML. Once again, Congress wanted that Meera Kumar's son be fielded from the seat. Begusarai, the Congress wanted to field Kanhaiya Kumar here. Once again, has gone to the left. It's been given to the CPI. So these are some of the seats that the Congress was demanding, including Aurangabad. Former Congress MP Nikhil Kumar wanted the ticket here, but it's been given to the RJD. We head into a quick commercial break. With that, whether or not we're going to hear from the Congress on this remains to be seen. Still a quick